Welcome to Vacation Request. We're so glad you're here. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fun.
Let's get on your folks out. Everybody take your favorite hand, lift about all the nice people on top. Guys. Don't be rude. Yeah, look about the naughty ones too. Hi, skippers! Alright, folks, welcome to the world famous Jinglecruise, and we got famous Uncle Leo for being well. World famous. My name's Skipper Justin. I'll be your cruise director, your navigator, your plan, your hunter, your secret Santa. Actually, I'm not going to tell you all that one yet. Anyway, friends, we are entering the Amazon rainforest where it rains 365 days a year. Some years, well, it actually rains every single day. Amazing. I'll see if I can catch some of this famous Amazon rainfall right quick. Sorry, folks. And maybe next time. If you look up to my left and my right, you'll see a very rare form of insect known as the humbug. If you listen closely, you can hear their call. These are beautiful. Amazing, huh? Now this one to my right, this is Inspiration Falls. Everyone always asks me why we call it that. Well, you know, I'll tell you when you see it. It certainly inspires you to do. Even deeper than something that's fun. And everybody say, woo! Everybody say, ah! Ah! Everybody say, hey, Skipper Justin, you're doing such a great job! Wow, thanks. That's inspiration if I've ever heard it. You'll be on the nice list this year. And I got a very special treat for y'all. Anyone here a fan of the Jungle Books? Yeah? There it is. Yeah. Special edition box set too. Very rare. I'm widow on my ready. Everyone always thinks it's the Jungle Book. It's actually a Christmas Carol. Friends, we are entering the Congo. Everybody see how far this boat can go, shall we? Hey. That's a little too much for you, well. Let's go on 10 minutes for the boat, let's get. Okay, let's see. Oh, hey, folks, that's a hit. Let's see my website is a icon I reckon. Actually, that is not how I got pictures. It must be a partridge like a parrot tree. Guys, it looks like my in-laws are in town early. That's my in-law, Susan. Speaking terms right now. So, whoa, hey, you missed Susan? Nice try. Thank you. Family has got a holiday. Anyone here know the difference between in-laws and outlaws? Yeah, outlaws are water. If you're entering the Nile River now, longest river in the world, actually about 4,000 miles long. If you don't believe me, you must be it. Just believe me. That's right. Now, a lot of people don't know this, but the Nile River is very hard to navigate this time of year. You're going to be extremely strong fuel tide. Does anybody here know what to tell that's an African elephant right there? You're right, my God. Very smart. It's because we're in Africa. Yeah, they've got one of the very best memories in the entire animal kingdom. I wish I had a good memory. That'd be much better than my job. Anyway, they can also reach speeds up to 33 miles an hour, making them the fastest land animals in the jungle. Amazing. Really have a lot of activity with my friends. I'll go ahead and point out some animals here, all right? Now, those cyclists up there. The reindeer. One with the long neck right here. There's a small reindeer. There's one of the kids. We've actually seen them before. They must be them. Listen, he's going to watch over this reindeer as he's sleeping. How much is he, guys? Yeah, he's good. Excuse me. Yeah. Tired. Then to be asleep today. Doctor's extended family during holiday dinner. He works every time. Oh my goodness, Mom. I can't believe you don't see it. There's gotta be a million rocks on that beach. Looks like I see, right? Nothing connected. Not anything else. Right there. You gotta keep it to yourself, okay? You know, a lot more paperwork to be done. No one wants to do that. It really looks like some feeling like that is not making it help for the holidays. Guys, we are entering Crocodile Country. If you look up to my left, you'll see my friend Ginger. She's very, very nice this year, so we got her something she's always wanted. A crumb potty. Yeah. Now, if you'll turn your attention to the front of the boat, we have a very special guest celebrity appearance. Please help me give a warm welcome to the one, the only, Steven Snyder! Oh no. Oh no, guys. I think you're welcome to move too long. One thing is downwind means in the jungle. That's it, territory. Guys, this is actually the most dangerous and the deepest point of our entire expedition. We have 90% of what you see right here, that is water, H2O. The other 10% you're in is also water. You know, I have 100 people for Christmas, I didn't mean to literally. Looks like that's going to enjoy the boat. Oh man, good thing we take cash only, huh? Don't worry, folks, your credit cards are safe. They're already on file with the second base. Now, fun fact about those hippos, they can actually reach speeds up to 33 miles an hour. It's the fastest land animals in the jungle. Amazing, huh? Oh no, guys, it's every holiday go with Irish Nightmare. Christmas carolers. Now, don't look them in the eye first, don't look them in the eye. If any of y'all got anything you put it on, throw it at them. Don't open my door during the holidays. Oh, hey! You know, it was actually. I wonder what happened in that box that is dangerous. Butterfly? Hey, friends, if any of y'all start to feel a rash coming on, let me know. Looks like they opened up that box of police Navidad. Yeah, don't worry, we got some wonders for back outside. And now, friends, the moment you've all been waiting for, of course, the apron of the road. That moment you can call your grandchildren about. The backyard of water! There's something that you never know how to do. I like when they only bring the Mekong River. This is what they look like. Might have taken a walk. I've heard somewhere. Friends, this give me either one of two things. This is either Santa's workshop, or it's that really dangerous temple they told me not to go in. I'm not exactly sure which. So, hey, you my friend? Yeah, you keep your eyes open in there for me? You. Yeah. Okay, good. I'm gonna keep mine closed. It looks really scary. Okay, tell me when to turn, alright? Almost. Thanks for rubbing it up on my skin over here. We got made it somehow, yeah? Now did we lose anyone in there? Raise your hand if you're missing. Okay, good. That was important. Oh. Oh, wow. is actually stunning, friends. It looks like we stumbled across the secret water hole of speaking element. But don't worry, folks, don't worry, you can actually take photos here. Yeah, they've done their trunks on us, okay. A lot of people think that's water coming out of those trunks, but it's not. Does anyone here know how to tell these are Indian elements? Actually, we're Cambodia. Yeah, we're gonna speak up with right there, take a look. Oh, God, guys, I feel white person on a well, calm down. Oh, folks, I paid them off earlier, we should be good to go. Anyway, fun fact about these Indian elephants, they've actually got one of the very best memories in the entire animal kingdom. I'm pretty sad, a good memory. Oh my God. Anyway, they can also reach speeds of 30 to 40 miles an hour. These are the fastest land animals to jump. So funny. Is there something wrong? Really? My friend said you've been keeping up. You see, that's what we call a running joke. Man, hey, call that joke. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it later, alright? Alright, folks, now this off to my left, that is our Lawson County gift shop. Honestly, friends, you'd be amazed at the kind of stuff you find. Yeah, look at the people's strollers when they're not looking. There's anything that's here, so it ain't, and if it is, well, 50% okay, that's why they call it monkey business. Now, a couple of history of social changes with our journey, so it's another civilization. Please remain seated. Keeping your hands on the table, sitting on the road at all times, and parents like your children. Now, my friends on this side, your face up the center. My friends on this side, you're going to go in the back, okay? You not cross over those center plates. It's a fire hazard, and you will trip. I will get fired. So don't do that to me, okay? Gotta pick my dog somehow. Now, friends, you have been positively outstanding today, but in a few short seconds, I'm really gonna need you outstanding. Like you have this dog. We have a very special holiday way of saying goodbye to Jingle Cruise. It goes something just like this. Think like Santa. Leave my presents. Get out. Say, you had a scattered video call started by my co-workers. You're too kind and a standing ovation. You should have. No, close to put stand up. We got a balance on the boat. You had a great time. Keep it Justin. And if you didn't, well, my name's Felix. Have a great night, guys. Have a good night, guys. Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah.